The oil return line off the turbo. I already got the one done on the pan last week, so now I'm making this guy. I've just got a little piece of 3/8 inch plate I'm gonna cut that flange out of, and then some 3/4 inch steel tube, same as this stuff, that'll get welded on, and we'll point it towards that, and then connect it with a piece of either tranny cooler line or some other whatever oil line I got running around, 3/4 inch stuff. So I'm gonna get started on that and see what we can get done tonight. Alright, I didn't video it, but this is what I got made up here. Whipped this guy up out of a piece of 3/8 inch flat bar, and then 3/4 inch steel tube. Got my little indexing marks on there, so that guy will sit right there. And I just gotta TIG weld it up and it should be done. Pretty easy. Painted up. Also painted a couple other things. Painted the cam gears and the coolant tube on the back. It's probably all I'll do tonight, but let's see if this thing fits and if it points in the right direction. Looks like that'll work. But fits pretty good. I'll put a couple hose clamps on there when we go for the final install. Simple, easy, cheap. Just takes a little bit of time to make the tubes and get them to line up, but